Okay, let's see how we go with this one. This one's really colourful, so let's see if we can make it look any good. I'm going to go here, going to make it 390 this way and 390 that way. I'm going to make this one 300. Yeah, we're going to stick with that. Okay, a bit of lightness. Right, let's see if we can make this look good. Alright, what do we got? Got something interesting. We have this. It's a fridge magnet. So it's a fridge magnet made in China, whatever. Typical. Anyway, let's just... No, we're not putting it face up. We've got to put it face down. What am I doing, folks? Silly me. Alright, let's see if we can make this look good. See if we can make this fridgey look good. Okay, out it comes. Yeah, it's nice and colourful. Yeah, I think that does look quite nice. We're going to enlarge it really big and make it into a mirror. So now we're just going to probably put this on the fridge later on. I'll just put it aside and we're just going to... I'm going to run out of room on my fucking fridge, folks. So I wonder how big we're going to make this. So we're going to go... We're going to make it 200%. And we're just going to set things up to... Actually, we just got to go here and first we set that. And we're just going to set the rest of this up. So that's really nice. It's really colourful. So maybe the copy density could go a bit lighter. We're just going to leave it as is. And we're just going to place this on the glass. Hopefully we'll get it to fit within the 200%. We're just going to copy a section of this to make it look really nice, to cover up the whole page. See how we go. See if we can make this look really nice. Okay, out it comes. Yeah, that looks quite nice. Yeah, that is quite nice. I think that's going to be the centre of our job, or what's going to be the centre of our job? I think it's going to be there. So, trying to decide what to do, whether to go with it or whether to change it. I'm just trying to decide, folks. I'm not good at deciding things sometimes. It's hard to tell if it's going to look good until I've actually arranged it on the surface. Sort of lay it on the bed, which is what the surface is. It's a bit silly trying to do this on a bed in a bedroom, but where else can I put this fucking photocopier in this one bedroom unit? So I don't have the money to buy a huge place and have a studio. I wish I could, but I can't. I don't belong to the rich crowd. I'm disabled and yeah, I don't belong in this rich area in many ways, it feels. But basically, yeah, I'm trying to capitalise on what I'm good at here, despite my disability, despite having brain damage at birth. But basically, you know, what else have I got to do? I think we've got to perhaps engage this in case we end up with a stupid cut-off. But basically, yeah, I have to just showcase what I'm good at and try to ignore what I can't do. I'm good at this, and yeah. And that's the beauty of social media, is you can put your stuff out there. You know, it's better than an art gallery. I think art galleries are very limited now. They're not a terribly state-of-the-art sort of an institution. You sort of get the feeling it's a bit old-fashioned and a bit old hat, especially for a person like me who hasn't won an art prize or hasn't been invited to showcase my work at an actual art gallery, except going in competitions that anyone can virtually enter in. And I even had the misfortune of having my work not able to be exhibited in an art competition because there wasn't enough space. So I haven't managed to make a so-called lucky break. I don't believe in luck, but you could say I'm very unlucky as an artist. But luck isn't real. It's just a figure of speech, a turn of phrase I'm using to say that I haven't successfully been invited. But I will make it big. I'm going to try. I'm going to keep persisting because I know I'm good at this, and I know that despite my disabilities, I can do it. Got to go.